this is a really interesting song. It's called the Coventry Carol, and I just learned it. Is it on the list? Let's see it on there. Yeah, because I just added this to this. Anyways, this is a kind of a sad song. This is in the story of Jesus. You know, he was born of a virgin, and the shepherds came. You know, the angels came to the shepherds, and then the shepherds came to see where he was born. And then the magi, or the wise men from the east, came following the star, and they stopped and talked to Herod, and he was the king of Israel, and he didn't like the idea of this child being born the king of Israel. He said, "Wait a minute, I'm the king of Israel." Anyways, he told the wise men to tell where the child was when they found out, and the angels warned them in a dream and said, "Don't go back to Herod. He's going to destroy the child." And so the angel talked to Joseph and Mary and told them to take the child to Egypt until the death of Herod. So this is what this song is about, actually.